Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete designs in Canva. So if you have a particular design you want to delete, or you want to delete the template in your Canva account, this is how you can do it. So click on this project. Once you click on this project, then you should have something like this on the screen. Then right here you have the recent designs you have in Canva and all your working projects, your recent work, the one you've done in the past, all your recent activities in Canva. Then you have everything in place. You can see recent design, and these are my recent folders. Then image just so far in Canva, and this is the animated video I created a few months ago. So if you want to delete this, you just click on this. You can see our mark, and the other one I want to do, like this particular one I want to delete this also. So that makes two selected. Then click on move to trash. Then items can be stored from trash. Items can be restored from trash in the next 30 days. So just move them to trash, and then only then the next 30 days just forget about it. That will automatically delete or permanently delete from my trash bin. If I find this helpful, I can follow for more. Thank you.